Good day, panel members and teachers. We're here to present to you our action research titled Researcher Developed Modified Strategic Intervention Material, Evaluation of its Impact to the Selected Grade 9 Learners in Understanding the Ionic Band. The lead proponent, yours truly, Ma'am Luz Biminda Pipi Lizardo, and the members are Ma'am Pinky M. Arpon and Ma'am Jeremy G. Constambienes. Context and rationale. Now, this new normal setting due to pandemic drives, both learners and teachers shift to distance learning resulted in various challenges. With this, the teachers are expected to provide a supplementary material like a strategic intervention material or SIM to suffice the milk. The researchers plan to utilize the SIM since it is found to be effective for learners as supported by previous studies, the CUNUS 2015. Action research questions. Now, this research aims to assess the effectiveness of utilizing a researcher-made strategic intervention material in understanding the ionic band. Specifically, it aims to answer to the following questions. 1. What is the result of the pretest on ionic band in grade 9 learners? 2. What is the result of the posttest of grade 9 learners taught using the researcher-made strategic intervention material? 3. Is there a significant difference between the pretest and posttest scores of grade 9 learners taught using the researcher-made strategic intervention material? Proposed intervention, innovation, and strategy. The researchers will develop a SIM that focuses on MELT3, explain how ions are formed. It was a consistent master competency in the second quarter. The SIM contains guide, activity, assessment, enrichment, reference cards, vocabulary development, bibliography, and answer cards. It was given to the learners in printed form. The SIM was validated by a master teacher and the head teacher of the science department of the same school. A strategic intervention material was found an effective way to teach the learners. It was given to the learners who fell below the required passing grade, thus needing intervention. Action research methods. A. Participants and or other sources of data information. Selected grade 9 students in Emiliano Tirona Memorial National Integrated High School who need remediation. B. Data gathering methods. The researchers were first administered the pretest. Subsequently, the researchers let the participants answer the activities in the SIM. Afterwards, the posttest was given and answered right away. The scores got by the participants were recorded. Action research method. C. Data analysis plan. The researchers were utilized descriptive statistics such as mean and standard deviation to answer the first and second research questions. A t-test of dependent mean was employed to determine whether there was a change in the performance of learners before and after the administration of the SIM for the third research question. The MS Excel data analysis toolpack was used which carried out the said statistical treatment. Discussion of results and recommendation. Pretest results. For research question 1, table 1 presents the pretest results of 118 grade 9 learners. The mean of their pretest is 3.958 with a standard deviation of 1.614. The mean percentage scores of 39.58% is interpreted as average mastery. The lowest score obtained in the pretest is 0, while the highest score obtained is 6, giving a range 6. Table 3 is all about the post-test results. It has been observed that the range of the scores are low in the post-test yielding also to a low standard deviation. Now, this suggests that the scores of the learners are now closer to each other. The MPS are also noticeable that they are almost a perfect score. Table 5 is all about the pre-test, post-test comparison. Analyzing the means of the pre-test and post-test scores in Table 1 and 3, respectively, it has been observed that the mean of post-test scores is greater than the mean of pre-test scores, meaning the scores of the grade 9 learners in the given assessment significantly increase upon using SIM or strategic intervention material. For the conclusion and recommendation, it can be inferred that the developed strategic intervention material on ionic band is an effective intervention material. It can be implemented to grade 9 learners. Now, these are the references that we have used in our action research. Thank you very much for listening.